Hi friends, in this video we're gonna see how to make a skateboard. Here I had chosen 10 mm thickness pliers and the dimensions are hereby. Friends, please note that this isn't like commercial skateboard. I just replicated the actual skateboard concept with the available stuffs I had. Most probably you could have seen many skateboard videos in YouTube, but here it's quite different. In this skateboard making video, I just replicated the skateboard trucks too. Friends, before watching this video fully, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. Holes are chamfered to remove the drilling dust and all. MS sheets are used here.
Kids always like new toys. Making their dream toys in front of them really makes them so happy about it.
And they are so excited about this. A 1.25-inch square-inch tube is being used here. Friends, these DIY projects can keep you busy, but when you start to see the fruit of your labor, you will really feel accomplished and also have something to look forward to. Here is the actual concept. These wheels are taken from the old skating shoes. Welded the joints. I just removed the excess part of this truck in order to reduce its weight. Friends, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. Here I had used countersink slotted bolted nuts, so the holes are chamfered. Please wear safety goggles and gloves while using power tools. I don't have a maple plywood or a die setup to create a folded plywood, so I just simply cut it down and stuck to an inclined shape. Skateboarders might use gripper tape as a top surface, but here I just used a sanding emery paper. It really works. These sanding papers really work and cost effective than the gripper tapes. We need a shaft for mounting the wheels, so here I just chosen a 8 mm threaded rod